Welcome viewers to another episode of Alternate Teaching. Today I want us to focus on the ellipse. As you can see on the screen, we have an ellipse. So I want to show you how to find the minor and the major axis of an ellipse through construction. So what we must have here inside the ellipse are two pairs of diagonal lines. One pair having a positive gradient and one pair having a negative gradient. So I'm going to start by drawing the pair that has got a positive gradient, just like this. Sorry, I'm a bit slow sometimes. One that has a positive gradient, one line there inside the ellipse, and the other line there inside the ellipse. So let me just name these A, B, C, and D, and then I have to bisect these lines. I put one at A. I bisect this line, bisect this line, put it at B, and I bisect. So one axe to bisect, and then I draw a line. And I draw a line there, and then this bisecting line I have to mark it. I have to mark the point where it cuts AB, and then the same goes for the line CD. I have to bisect it again. I have to bisect the line CD, and to the other side, strike an arc, strike an arc, strike an arc, and then the bisecting line I have to draw it where it passes through CD. I mark the point, and then these 2 points that we have here, I have to draw a line. I have to join those 2 points. I have to draw a line that passes through those 2 points going outside the ellipse. And then the next step is to draw the other pair of diagonal lines, of slanting lines, which have a negative gradient, which has got a negative gradient. Here are the pairs. I'll draw the other one there, and another one there, and then I'll mark these points E and F, G and H. So I now have to bisect those 2 lines again. Those are the 2 lines. Bisecting EF, strike an arc, go to F, I strike an arc, and I strike an arc. Then I draw the line, the bisecting line, which passes through EF. Where it cuts EF, I mark the point, and then I also bisect the line GH again, line GH, strike an arc, and same goes for the other side. Same goes for the other side, and I put it at H, and strike an arc, and then I draw the bisecting line. Then where it passes GH, I mark the point, and then I join those 2 points. To draw a line. It passes through those 2 points, right? Draw a line, and then those 2 lines that we came out with, these 2 lines, where they meet is the center of the ellipse. It is the center of the ellipse, and from the center of the ellipse I have to draw a circle which cuts the ellipse at 4 points. Which cuts the ellipse at 4 points. Yes, the circle cuts the ellipse at 4 points. Means it cuts the ellipse there, and there. And then from those points where the circle cuts the ellipse, I have to join those points to the center like this, and like this. So you have to be careful in following these steps because there are too many lines now on the diagram. There are too many lines on the diagram. So I'll just join 3 of these points because the 4th one is unnecessary in finding the minor and the major axis of the ellipse. So here we have this angle here. To find the minor axis, we have to bisect this angle. You have to bisect this angle just like this. Put it at A. Put your compass also at E. Strike an arc, and then join that point to the center and draw a line passing through the ellipse, and the part which is inside the ellipse is the minor axis of the ellipse. And then to find the major axis of the ellipse, we also bisect this angle here. You have to bisect that angle there. Put our compass at A, draw an arc, put our compass right there. Oh, sorry, this is not A. Put a compass there, bisect that angle, and then we join that point to the center to find our major axis of the ellipse. Draw a line passing through the ellipse, and then the part which is inside the ellipse is the major axis of the ellipse. So if the question asks you to find the length of the minor and the major axis, you can measure these lines which are inside the ellipse. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next episode. Please subscribe, leave a like, or leave a comment. Thank you. See you next time.